Hello and welcome to 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. It's Paul, your cruise boss from House of Cruises. On Tuesdays, we bring you tips that can help you cruise like a boss, all in a short, easy to consume package. For example, we'll be featuring packing tips, gear recommendations, booking tips, and destination info to help you. This week, it's packing cubes. Packing cubes are available from Amazon, and I'll link the ones that I've been using below. The reason for using packing cubes is twofold. Organization of all the things you want to bring with you, and keeping those things from getting crumpled and wrinkled. So here's what you do. They come in assorted sizes, so you can have one for like socks and underwear, one for bottles of hair care or medicine, and one for like swimwear and t-shirts. Since they're different sizes, you can choose one to accommodate whatever you're bringing. You can figure out how many of these you can fit into your bag and then arrange them in that bag in such a way to keep your shirts, pants, or dresses from getting wrinkled. It's a great way to get the most out of your space in your bag. I like to roll my clothes up and then put them in the cube so they don't get creased either. Once you arrive, you fish the cube out of your bag and you throw it in the drawer or on a shelf at your hotel or on your cruise ship, and you can get a lot more in your bag this way. Your things arrive at your destination in great shape, and best of all, you don't have to iron or steam them. You're not supposed to be doing that. You're on vacation. So that's the tip for today. Thanks for watching. For the next tip, we're going to give you some tips about a specific cruise line that we love to sail on. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button below, actually it's over here, and then tap that notification bell so you don't miss any. It only takes a couple minutes to learn more about how to travel well. Also, make sure you join the House of Cruises Facebook page. House of Cruises is there to make sure you get the best for your travel dollar. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.